Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got our Blu-ray Sony unboxing. And first I'm going to be doing Venom, The Last Dance, which is a movie I just got recently at Walmart. And this is the third Venom movie in the Tom Hardy Venom series. And the bottom says the best of the trilogy. Got Elliot Watt on the left, while Venom's pretty much detention, and Alpha on the right. And we got a part of the case with some scenes from the movie and some special features. Next we got this crazy looking creature dude here. Hiding in Venom. Him and Eddie. Now let's get the plastic off and take a look at the Blu-ray. And now the plastic is off. Let's open the case and take out the Blu-ray. And this is what the Blu-ray looks like. We have Venom right on the case here. And the DVD disc. The Blu-ray disc and with the name of the movie on the right side of Venom's head. And that's going to be it for today's Venom, The Last Dance Blu-ray unboxing. And like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell if you're new. And more videos will be coming to the channel soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.